Bueno, pues acabo de llegar a Valencia, hace súper buen tiempo.
Hola chicos, ya estamos aquí en Valencia.
Tengo varios destinos, así que iré enseñando cositas, lo que vea.
Ahora voy a ver si desayuno un poquito y luego comerme una paellita rica. Os dejo, chao.
You see places, you take videos and share them with hundreds of people you don't know. But what if you stopped seeing and started listening? Would listening be another way of seeing? Maybe you would discover something new. New places. Traditions. Music. Festivals, flavors, maybe discovering is the best way to share. And sharing is the best way to discover. Seeing Valencia isn't the same as living Valencia. Province of Valencia. Spectacular.